This is a face primer by Elizabeth Mott. Now I got the blurring one, but they have an illuminating one and they have a couple others, so I'll try the other ones, but I want to try this one out first. So thank you so much for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. Now it is a broad spectrum SPF30, which means it's got a bit of a sunscreen in there. So I used all of the Elizabeth Mott products this morning. I started out with the serum, and then I did the eye cream as well as the moisturizer, and then I used the primer. And the primer has like a light tint to it, so it kind of evens out the skin tone, but it also has some moisturizing in there as well. So it's just a really great layer to put underneath your makeup to kind of even out and blur out any extra stuff. So again, at age 54, I can use all the help I can get. So I do really appreciate it. This is a great one. You don't need to use very much. You just put a little bit in and it just goes a long way. It spreads really nicely. It lays really nicely under the makeup. It doesn't, like, it's not greasy, it's not funky, and it doesn't make your, like, sometimes if the under stuff is too greasy, my makeup brushes get all messy. Ugh, I hate that. So anyway, so again, thank you so much. This is awesome, awesome, awesome addition for women my age.